teach you how to start making money with your PC or smartphone. You don't need any skill.
Google paid me about 2,700. You can see, let me just refresh this so that you see like it's real. The reason why some of you are still struggling to make money is because some of the strategies are hidden. I also found this strategy from Trade News and Yen News, and I'm going to share it with you. So just make sure you watch the video from start to finish, and if you have any questions you can comment down below. Please just comment wonderful and like this video so that it will help more people to also start working from home without any skill. I always share this kind of videos, things that are working for me. You can see about $103. Then if I click here to about $143 from Google, so this one is $138. I'm going to show you how I made this and how you can also do the same thing. So basically what I do is, this particular strategy is called blogging. Please, you need to watch the video so that you understand how I became successful at it, because some people start blogging and they will never make money. So this is my website called privatehostels.com. Basically what I am doing is I am helping people to find hostels in Ghana. So if you are from, let's say, South Africa, or you are from Nigeria and you are traveling to Ghana, you search for hotels in Ghana, and when you search for hotels in Ghana, this website might appear. This website is for me. I created it back in 2019 when I learned that you could make money online just by helping people find what they want. So this website is called Private Hostels. You can go and check it out. I'm the owner of this website, and I started it back in 2019, helping people find hostels, students, and also tourists to also find hotels and book. So basically this website is running Google advertisement. So this is how Google is going to pay you. I'm going to show you how to set the website up. I'm also going to show you how to apply for Google AdSense so that you can also get paid every single month. The interesting thing is Trade News are using it, even my Joy Online, Ghana, Ghana page, and even the other news channel, they are all using it to make money. So you just have to pay attention to what I'm going to show you. So what we need to do is you click on the second link in the video description and you come to a website called StormerHost. Okay, you are supposed to come to a website called stormerhost.com. so make sure you click the link so that you get bonus. So if I click the second link, it will bring me to a page like this where I need to get a domain and hosting. A domain is the name of your house, the name of your website. So if you go to amazon.com, the amazon.com is the domain, that's the name, that's the address. Then we have web hosting, that's the house. The house is keeping the chairs and tables. So the first thing is we are supposed to get a domain name, then after that we'll get a house. So I'm going to help you get the hosting, and I'm also going to help you get the domain name. So the first step you need to do is, once you come to this particular website called stormerhost.com, you are supposed to scroll down and you are supposed to book hosting and domain name. Okay, so we just click on get started. Okay, so when we click on get started here, we'll come to a page like this. So I'm just going to explain these things to you. We have data storage. You can start with 108 cedis per year, but you need to buy your own domain name. I will advise that those who are just starting out, always go with the basic plan. Go with the basic plan, that is 300 Ghana cedis per year. They are going to give you free domain name and free SSL. The SSL is the key lock that is always here protecting people. Then we also have standard. I have used the standard to create website for people in Tamale, particularly the hotel companies in Tamale. I've helped them build website using stormerhost.com. Then we also have 750 Ghana cedis. If you are building a website for a particular company, I'll just advise you go with the professional one. So I was telling you that you should select the 300 Ghana cedis. Basically, a website is just like having a YouTube channel. You are going to find a particular problem. We call it niche website. You are going to find a particular problem, then you create a website around it. You are going to create a website around it. Then you now create content every day. So let's say right now my website is about hostel and hotel companies. So let's go back to my privatehostels.com, my website. So when we click here, then we go to breaking news. Okay, so this is my website. So my website is going to help students get hostels in Ghana, or those who are from abroad. So now we have a universities of professional studies, that's APSA. So if a student is in APSA and they want to find a hostel, they will definitely type for hostels around APSA and my website will appear. So all these hostels are in APSA. So because of that, Google will be running advertisement on my website, and I'm also doing blogging. So make sure you subscribe, because in the next tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make money with affiliate marketing in Ghana. So what we want to do is we are going to go back to our page and we are going to buy the domain name. Then after that we'll just get the hosting. Okay, so now that we are going to get our domain name, so you need to ask yourself these questions. What are you going to start the website around? What are you going to solve? What problem are you going to solve? So remember, I told you my website is about hotels and hostels, accommodation. That's why I made the name privatehostels.com. So you can also start a website around news or around entertainment or football. So if you are starting a website around betting in football, you can say bet GH sport. Okay, I'm just brainstorming, so I'll just click on search. So if I click on search here, okay, let me end that. So once I click on search, we have betghsport.com is available. If someone search for betting strategies on Google in Ghana, this particular domain will appear, because it's talking to the person, or is talking to Google about betting and also sports in Ghana. So I'll box all the three things together. We have bet, we have GH sports. Okay, so because of that, we'll just click on add. Okay, so we just click on add here. So this one is available. So when we click on add to cart, we can now click on continue. Okay, so after clicking on continue, we need to add the hosting. That's why I'm saying that you can get the hosting for 300 Ghana cedis and they'll give you the free domain. Okay, so for now everything will be 300 Ghana cedis. So you just click on continue. Okay, if you buy a domain name or you buy hosting from StormHost and you have a problem, I'll leave my number in the video description. Make sure you text me on WhatsApp. I also help people trade cryptocurrencies and make money. So if you like copying and pasting to make money with your smartphone, make sure you click the first link and join the Telegram group. So this one is called DNS. So with the DNS, when you have it on your website, it protects your website and increase the fastness. So let's say if someone search for betghsport.com, the website will appear very fast. It will be very fast than if you don't have it on. They also have ID protection. Anytime that someone search for privatehostels.com, my name and address and my phone number and email will appear on the hostnet. But if we have this thing on, StormHost is going to protect our data from the internet. So we'll just click on continue again. Okay, so once we click on continue, now we have our free domain name and also have our spot, the hosting. So we just click on continue. Now when you click on continue, you are going to pay 460 Ghana cedis the next year, but right now you are going to pay 300 Ghana cedis and you have a fully functionable website. Okay, so this is how you buy your domain name in Ghana with your mobile money. Very simple and easy. If you still have any questions, just comment, because some people have been texting me telling me to do a video about how to buy a domain name and hosting. So I just showed you how to buy a domain name and hosting using your mobile money. So you are supposed to add your first name, last name, your company name. If you don't have a company name, it's not necessary. Your email address, please, here you need to add correct details. Then we also have your street address, your city, your state, zip code. If you are from Ghana, you use 022000233. That's our zip code. Then the first name, my name is Askanda, so I can just add Askanda. My last name, I can add it here. Then we have the company name. So my company name, Mobile Billionaire So this is my company name. Then we have my email, so you can add your email, street address and everything. Then after that, you select your password. It's very important you use a strong password. You can either pay through Momo or you can pay through your Visa card. Okay, so once you are done paying, they will give you a login through your Gmail. And when they give you the login, this is how you are going to log into your website. So this is my StormHost dashboard. You have a system like this where we have the services will be one, then the domain names will be one. So you can see here I have two websites that are currently running. That's the mobilebillionaire.com. Then also I have the private hostels. This is the website. So I was telling you that I'm going to show you how to start making money from your website using Google. So what you want to do is, once you get your website here, your website is available, just click on login to cPanel. Okay, they will give you login. When you make payment, StormHost will send your website logins to the email that you gave them. So make sure you are giving them the correct email. Even if you have any questions or problems, just take my number and text me on WhatsApp. So what you want to do is, now we are going to scroll down. When you have the website there, just click on login to cPanel. Then when you log into your cPanel, you click on WordPress. This is how to install WordPress. So for you to install your WordPress website on StormHost, you log into your cPanel by clicking here. Remember, you can see Linux shared hosting. You just click on login to cPanel. Then you come to a page like this. Then you scroll down to WordPress and select WordPress. When you select WordPress, they will ask you to install. Because I have already installed it, that's why this place is appearing. You add your admin name, then also your login. Make sure you use a strong password. Then if I click on login, this particular page will appear. So this is my WordPress dashboard. There are some plugins that I want you to install. So the first step that you need to do is, once you install your WordPress website, is to go to permalinks. The first step is, when you install your WordPress website, go to permalinks. Okay, so when you come to permalinks, you are supposed to change something. It's very important. Just change this to post name. You can see it. We have post name privatehostel.com/sample post. Change it and save it. So when you save it, then you now go to plugins and you are going to add these plugins. It's very important you add them to your website. So I'm just going to show you the plugins. So we are going to go to plugins here. Then we'll click on add new plugins. We have add new plugins. When you click on add new plugins, these are the plugins that you are supposed to install on your website if you want it to be 100% functional. Okay, so let me just give you the plugins. Then when you install the plugins, you can sign up for Google AdSense and also index your website. That's why I'm saying you need these plugins. So the first plugin is called Astra Widgets. We use this to customize our header and footer. Then we have auto featured image. So the auto featured image is for blog post. Let's say if I upload a blog and I forgot to add an image, we call it YouTube thumbnail. So if I forgot to add it, this particular plugin will do it for me. Then we have bulk post update. This particular plugin update my blog for me. Then we also have this particular one called Easy Update Manager. Helps you manage your WordPress blog. Elementor is very important for drag and drop. Then we have header and footer code manager. So anytime that you apply for Google AdSense, they are going to give you a header and footer code just to verify you are the owner of the website. So you are supposed to add the header and footer code at the top, then also at the down button, so that it will be verified. Then also we have this particular one called Real Simple SSL. This is the key lock. It's very important you add the key lock so that it will protect your website. Then we also have social media share buttons. Let's say if you have a blog or you have an important page where you want your visitors to share it on social media, you can add this plugin. Then we have starter template. For the starter template is for those who don't know how to code, or those who don't want drag and drop. They just want to edit some simple things and the website will set up in 5 minutes. This is the plugins that I'm using. The last one is called Yoast SEO. If you want your website to appear on Google, please add Yoast SEO So once you add the use SEO to Google Sitekit kit is very important. This is the one that I was talking about. This is the one that is going to help you add your website to Google Search Console, so that you can also even add your website through the AdSense program using Google Sitekit. So if you want to add your blog or your WordPress website to Google so that you can start making money and also it will appear on Google searches, this is the plugin that you need to search for, Sitekit by Google. So if I just go to my Google Chrome and I search for hostels around Absa, my website will appear, hostels around Absa. Okay, so this is one of the key titles that my website is ranking for. So this is a search term that I've just searched on Google, hostels around Absa. You will see like this particular, my website will just appear. Okay, let's allow it to load. The network is somehow slow. So if you still have any questions, that's why I did the VIP group. If you have any questions, you can click the first link in the video description, join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp. Okay, so the same strategy that I'm just sharing with you right now, so you can see this is my website, hostels around Absa, is because of the Google Sitekit. It have helped me index my website on Google, and it have also added this snippet so that if someone is searching for hostels around Absa, you can see my website, privatehostels.com, will appear. This is how I'm making money from my website, when it appears like this and I earn commission from it. So basically what you want to do is you want to go to your WordPress website, then you install this particular plugin called Sitekit by Google. When you install it, now you go to settings. So when you go to settings, it's just simple. If you have a Google account, they'll just ask you to connect your Google account. After that, they'll ask you to connect your AdSense. If you don't have an AdSense account, you can create a new AdSense account. Then the next thing is they will ask you to create a tax manager, and when you do those things, now you have your fully functionable Google WordPress website that Google will be paying you every single month. And the interesting thing is they will pay you through your mobile money or through your bank account. So it doesn't matter whether you are coming from South Africa, Nigeria, or you are coming from any part of the world, this strategy will still work for you. If you still have any questions, just let me know. Make sure you click on just type wonderful in the comment section so that this video will help more people. So you can see all these things are currently connected. So when you add the Google Sitekit, they will ask you to install your Search Console. Search Console will help your website appear on Google like this. So if someone searches for hostels around Absa, my website is currently appearing at the first page because of this particular thing. It's very important you also do the same thing. Then we have the AdSense. So the AdSense is where Google will place advertisement on your website and they will be paying you every single month. For the analytics, it helps you know the number of visitors on your website. So anytime that you want to know how many people are visiting my website, you need to connect your Google Analytics. Then we also have page speed insight. This particular thing is very important because it will calculate the number of visitors on your website and also how fast is your website accessible on Android phone and also on PC or on laptop. So this is how you make money online through Google. So if you want Google to pay you every single month, you can either start WordPress blogging. I don't do free blogging. Please stay away from free blogging. If you want to work from home in 2024, this is the strategy for you. So you don't have any excuse. This is a full functionable business that I've just given to you, and I started making money back in 2019 doing the same thing. So make sure you subscribe